Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing the review of the new Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde right here. Guys, this palette for me, I don't know what to say, I don't know where to start, but all I can say is I am a huge fan. I'm just going to go straight to the point and share my thoughts about this palette with you guys as fast as I can, because I don't want this video to be too long. So let's start with the packaging first, guys. Look at that. The packaging is absolutely stunning. Like, look at that. The back is the same like every other palette that she owns. I'm just going to go straight to the point and share my thoughts with you guys about this palette. So the first thing I noticed about this palette is the fact that, apart from the fact that the packaging is really cute, I also like the fact that the packaging is really lightweight. These are the shades in the palette. I don't know if my camera is doing justice to that, what the shades in the palette looks like. So I'm just quickly going to swatch them for you guys. I'm going to start with the shade Ace. The shade Ace is a green shade from the palette. It's so pigmented, look at that. And I'm also going to swatch the next shade for you, which is another matte shade in the palette. It's called Utopia. That's what Utopia looks like. Those are the two matte shades on the top row. The quality of the matte shadows are actually the same as the previous one, which are absolutely amazing in my opinion. So I'm going to swatch the shade Supermoon. Supermoon is like a reflex shade. It's like white in the palette, but when you swatch it, it's, you know, gives you that duochrome look to it, if that makes sense. So pigmented, very opaque. Yeah. I'm going to go ahead and swatch another shade for you guys that is a different texture, because there are like 3 different textures in this palette. So the next row on the second row, the next shade on the, you know, the next shimmery shade on the second row is called Galaxy. So this is Galaxy. Galaxy is exactly beside Supermoon right there, if you guys can see that. It's also, Galaxy is also like a duochrome shade, but it, you know, when you swatch it, when you look at it in the palette, it gives you that like bronze look, but it gives you like a duochrome look with a glitter reflex to it, if that makes sense. But I'm not sure if the camera is picking that up. Look at that. You guys already know that all our dark shades, all the dark shades in our palettes are always super opaque, so I'm not going to go in there, but I might swatch it for the sake of the video. But because these shades have been calling my name, I need to dip in there first. So I'm going to go into the shade Gold Glitch. This Gold Glitch, like seriously, my days. Oh, oh no, look at that. Please pick this up, camera, pick this up. Look at that shade right there. It's called Gold Glitch. Guys, you need to see this shade in real life. It's so pigmented. It's very opaque, and it also has a glitter reflex to it. It's the same formation with the shade Galaxy, so but this one gives a proper gold look to it. The thing about these two shades is the fact that they have a glitter reflex to them, which is quite stunning. Oh my days, guys. Look at that, guys. Look at that. You need to see the swatches in real life, so you'll be able to understand how I really feel about this palette. The pigmentation is amazing. So another shade in this palette that has also been calling my name is the shade Nebula and Mercury. So I'm just going to swatch them for you guys. I believe Mercury, guys, Mercury. I'm just going to swatch it here so it's going to look different. Just one swipe, guys. Look at Mercury. Just one swipe. Look at that. Need I say more, guys? Look at that. Look at Mercury just right there. Right there. Look at that. Oh my days. Like, need I say more? Like, I know it's gonna sound like a cliche, but you need to see this, you need to swatch these shades in real life to be able to understand how opaque and how pigmented they are, and especially based on the fact that they have gold, they have glitter reflex to them. You know me, probably the reason why I love Huda Beauty products a lot, especially when it comes to her eyeshadow palettes, I am always a fan. Like, anything that has a name on it when it comes to eyeshadow, I'm a huge fan, because she's always like on point with them. especially with our shimmery shades and our matte shade. In short, our palettes are always my go-to. Like, you would have thought I don't have anything else but Huda Beauty palette, but wait, let's just stop there before I keep going on. Anyway, I'm gonna swatch the next shade. It's called Mercury. Mercury is also the same formation with the other one that I swatched just now, but oof, guys, look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. How stunning is this shade? Like, seriously? Oh my days. When you look at it in the palette, you would have thought that it's just like every other normal green shade, but this one is like a duochrome green shade. It also has like a, you know, glitter reflex to it as well. I believe she did an amazing job with this palette. Like, seriously, look at that shade, guys. Man, looking at it in the palette, you wouldn't have thought that you get this much pigmentation from this, but I am surprised. Like, I am shook. Like, the only way you can find out about how good or how stunning, you need to go into store to swatch them for yourself. Then you'll be able to understand why I am, you know, screaming and shouting about it. Like, seriously, I am a fan. As you guys already know, that I purchased one of our palettes myself. I own that palette, and Desert Dogs palette. I love that palette. Like, seriously, I love it to the point that a lot of people always ask me, like, is this the only palette you have? I use it like I don't have any other palette. And meanwhile, if you know me, if you watch my Instagram story, you know that I have a lot of eyeshadow palettes, but for some reason Huda Beauty palettes are always like, have something about them that is always attracting me to them. Apart from the fact that the packaging are always very cute and very lush, the products inside the packaging is what really matters to me, and she always delivers when it comes to that. So yeah, for me this palette is hands down like spot on, like spot on. She nailed it, no doubt about it. She nailed it. It's not as if it's look, go out there, just go and swatch it. Go out there, go and swatch it, then you'll be able to understand what I'm saying. So would I really recommend this eyeshadow palette for the price? Yes, I would definitely recommend it, based on the fact that the packaging is really cute, it's travel friendly, and all the shades in the palette are very pigmented, and you know, the quality of the eyes are absolutely amazing. Like, for the price, it's a no-brainer for me. I know it's quite on the high price side, and you know, for the quality you're getting from this palette, I believe it's definitely worth it, in my opinion, because you know, I really don't mind buying it if I was not on her PR, because I know she always delivers with all her products. So I'm always quite impressed with how, you know, hard she works to bring out all this palette, especially now that I believe she's, you know, going into details with her packaging. Like, the way she has actually turned everything around when it comes to her packaging, that for me is like, you know, our creativity is just up there, and also based on the fact that the quality of the product in that packaging is amazing as well. So yeah, I'll definitely recommend this palette. Definitely recommend this palette. So I would also be filming another video with this palette for you guys to be able to see more on how or what look you'll be able to create using this palette. And I also like the fact that she included, you know, shades that you can use as a transitional shade and also as your normal, you know, everyday makeup look.
stuck in my head, you know I can't forget it. I try to move on, but you're the one that I dream about. I sit alone in my room, drawing up pictures of blue skies. We've been apart for so long, I'm always replaying all the pictures and memories stacked up in my head. I wish I could let you go, I wish I could just forget you. I can never shake you off, you're stickier than my super glue. I can never shake you off, I'm always trying to get rid of you. I'm never shaking you off. Are saying move on, I know I don't belong in this fantasy world I put you and me in. I cover up both my ears, cause right now baby it's working.